Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make deviled eggs, so let's get started with the video. In a pot filled with water, add 8 eggs. Bring the water to a boil and then boil the eggs for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the eggs have finished cooking, drain the water. Then fill the same pot with cool water. Next, place a paper towel on a wooden cutting board. Then peel the eggs. By the way, the reason I didn't place the eggs in an ice bath right after boiling them is because I find them easier to peel when they're still hot, which is why I just add cool water to the same pot I boiled them in. This makes the eggs cool enough to touch but still hot. By the way, I like to place the paper towel on the cutting board because it helps dry off the eggs and it makes cleanup easier after peeling them. Next, cut all the eggs in half. When you're finished, remove the egg yolks from the boiled eggs and place them in a bowl. Next, mash the egg yolks with a fork or a potato masher. When you're done, add a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of mustard. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sweet relish, and a 1/2 tablespoon of sugar. After mixing everything together, taste your mixture and see if it needs any more mayo, mustard, relish, sugar, or any additional ingredients that you would like to add. Once you're happy with how it tastes, you can fill the egg whites with the egg yolk mixture by using a spoon or a piping bag. I usually spoon it on, but this time I'm using a piping bag for presentation. Once all the eggs have been filled, sprinkle some paprika on top. This is optional, but you can also add some freshly chopped chives as well. And that's it, you're all done, and this is the finished result. These deviled eggs are delicious and super easy to make. I use this recipe every time I make deviled eggs and it's always a crowd pleaser. By the way, everyone makes their deviled eggs differently, this is just the way I make mine. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!